Hello and welcome to Coding for Juniors. Today I will be discussing Scratch WorldSpace. I'm going to zoom into the screen so I can explain better. Scratch's WorldSpace is based like a grid. Now, in the very middle of the screen is position 0, 0, or the origin. As you go right, your position increases. As you go left, your position decreases in the X direction. Going up increases your Y position, and going down decreases your Y position. The screen is 480 points wide and 360 points high. Back at the full project, I am going to create a program that will demonstrate Scratch WorldSpace. To start with, I'll pick a sprite. Any sprite will do, so I'm going to use this apple. Now, I'm going to use this go-to block. That will move it to a certain point using the Scratch WorldSpace, as I said before. I'm going to move this apple to the origin. Now, we want this to happen when the green flag is clicked, so we put that up at the front of the blocks. Now, we want it to move around in a grid around the 100 marks, like this. Let's use this setX block. Now, we can specify a number for this, and it will change the X position to become that. So as you can see, it's on the 100 line now. So we will put that there. Then, we will want to wait 1 second. If we run now, you see it goes straight there. We also need to wait a second here though, because otherwise we won't see the apple at the origin. Now if we run it, it starts at the origin and moves to the 100 point over here. Next, let's set the Y to 100 using the set Y to block. We'll put in 100, then we'll make another wait block. Now we want to set again. So if we use a set X to minus 100, that will move it over here because this is at the minus 100 line. Then we want to wait a second. And you can see it is going across a little square. Next, we need to set Y to minus 100 to move it down to the third corner. And then, of course, we wait 1 second. And now you can see it's starting to do what we want. Now, let's set the X back to 100. And then we'll wait a second. If we run it now, we see that the apple is nearly completing a full square, but it doesn't quite finish up. So now we want to set Y to 0 to go back to where it went first. Then, after waiting 1 second, we will set X to 0. Now if we run, you see the apple moves around in a little square. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please support me on Patreon at Coding for Juniors.